All right, today we're going to learn how to paint the northern lights. All right, the question of the day is, which planets besides Earth have Aurora Borealis, or the northern lights or southern lights? All right, let's run through the colors. Pearly red, quin red, Indian yellow, red oxide, cad yellow, primary yellow, quin blue, phthalo blue, phthalo green, titanium white, Mars black. Let's get the party started. We just got in that first layer. We got kind of a turquoise green. Over here you're gonna have a purple kind of see, so it has this really interesting reflection. We're gonna have the purples in here. We have that a little bit started. It's not as strong as in the photo, but we're kind of balancing that out. We got a little bit of star action going on through here, a little bit of the dark. This is a little bit too green, I think. We'll see once we layer the white on top of that. And we got a little bit of stars going in. We're going to darken that with gloss next layer, so we'll see how that goes next layer. All right, we just kind of laid in the sea here. It's a little bit translucent. Got to get more lighter lights here and kind of make that feel more like water with a little bit of wave action. We have to make the break with the mountains and the sea clear. So that right now it's kind of all over the place, doesn't look clear. These mountains are kind of just a monotone color, so we need to fill it in a little bit. Make those stand out a little bit with, you know, a little bit darks, a little bit whites. Got to fill this in. This green here just doesn't look realistic to me. So we're going to add that in and see what happens. Hopefully we can get that fixed. And yeah, this looks not quite right as well. This is kind of a nice light to dark. So we'll fix those areas up and hopefully pull this together. As commonly known. So the question of the Aurora Borealis and other planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And they all form similar to how the Earth is, in that they have their own magnetic spheres and interacts with the solar wind. So as the solar wind goes past them, especially when you have solar flares at those later, farther out planets, they need really those solar flares to have kind of a Aurora Borealis. And those are the 4 planets with Borealis besides Earth. All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So the really nice white highlights from the Borealis on top of kind of the painted under layers. I have a little bit of stars on the top. I've outlined the mountains really quick, and a little bit of dash back and forth to kind of show that that highlight is continued down into the murky bottom. Overall, I liked it pretty well. I was thinking of doing another layer, but then I was like, I'm just kind of not feeling as creative today. I think it's just the coronavirus. It's getting to me. It's like, but yeah, I think it's pretty good painting. I definitely wanted to do another series of Borealis because I sold through them, and I'm like, well, I should probably do another set. They're pretty cool. I like it. I haven't seen them yet myself, so I really want to go up to Alaska, see those in person. That would be really cool. But yeah, hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And check out my Patreon account for the full version. And I'll see you in the next painting video, guys.